Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Praful. So without wasting our time in promotions, let's begin with the topic. So our today's topic is the top 10 skills that are in demand. As we know, all of us wants to become successful in life, and for this we need some skills. So today I listed all that skills which are trending in today's era. So let's begin with our topic. So friends, I given my first priority to machine learning because if you want to get a job in foreign countries, then machine learning makes it a little bit easier. Machine learning is used in development of a computer system that are able to learn and adapt. In machine learning, we make machines to learn through various statistical data and patterns. So machine learning is a top skill which is in demand in today's era. If you want to become successful, then you can choose your path through machine learning, which is good for you. By machine learning you can go through AI, which is in most demanded skills by top MNCs in various countries, so you can choose machine learning as it is a good option for you. But my friends, machine learning requires a lot of maths. If you have very less interest in math or you are not interested in math, then you can't choose this because machine learning requires some lot of maths. So if your maths are strong, then you can choose this path. Otherwise you can see from that 9 skills. So the second trending skill is Android app development. This skill is trending because in this pandemic everything becomes online. So many organizations are developing their own applications which requires a lot of developers. So uh, Android development is a good option for you if you are a beginner. And if you know Java or if you know Python, then you can learn easily Android development. Various resources are available on YouTube also. If you are a Python developer, then you can go through Kiwi. Kiwi is a framework which enables you to make Android applications. So friends, if you have an interest in Android app development, then you can go through this skill. So friends, our third skill is SEO and SEM. SEO stands for search engine optimization and SEM stands for search engine marketing. So if you search anything on Google, then you see various links below it. So every organization or everyone wants that their links appears on top of the results. For this they require SEO and SEM. So if you learn as search engine optimization or search engine marketing, then it will be better for you. You can go through it if you have interest on it, because this skill is also in trending in today's era. If you want to learn SEO and SEM, then you can various resources are available on YouTube also. You can go through it and learn SEO and SEM. So we are going to the next skill. Data visualization. Data visualization is trending because it gives us a clear idea of what the information means by giving it a visual context through maps or graphs. By data visualization, you are able to make your data more natural for human mind to comprehend, therefore make it easy to identify trends, patterns within a big data set. So data visualization is important. You can go through it. Various resources are also available on YouTube or various websites like Edureka. So you can go through it if you want to develop these skills, data visualization in you. So friends, the next skill is full stack web development. A full stack web developer is a person who is able to develop both server and client software. So if you are a full stack web developer, then you can design a website, you can make your own website, or you can make a server's website, and also you can make client's website. This skill is important because many organization wants their own website, so they hire or they need some developer, full stack developer, which can make a website for them. So you can choose this skill for you if you are interested in web development. And you can learn web development through various resources like YouTube. Very many teachers are teaching web development on YouTube. they provide a good content, or you can go through many websites also. You can learn through Edureka also, or Geeks for Geeks. So friends, the next trending skill is UX and UI development. If you are a UX or UI developer, then you are a person who is able to make a design of user interfaces for machines and software such as computers or home appliances, with the focus on maximizing the usability and the user experiences. So if you are interested in UX or UI development, you can go through it. For these also YouTube provides many content, so you can go through YouTube, or you can access to Edureka also. So we are going to the next skill. So friends, the next skill that is in demand is cyber security. Actually, what is cyber security? Cyber security is the protection of our computer system and networks from the information disclosure or theft or damage. Or in other words, we can say we have to stay safe from third party services. That's why cyber security is important, and many organization requires cyber security engineers for their security issues. That's why this skill is in demand, because many scams are happening in our country or in many organizations. So it is necessary to keep them safe. So you can choose cyber security without any hesitation. This is very good skill you can develop under you. We are going to the next skill now. So friends, the next trending skill is cloud computing, or AWS cloud computing. Actually, in 2006, AWS started to offer IT services to the markets in the form of web services, which is nowadays known as cloud computing. So why I'm saying that it is trending, because today AWS provides a highly reliable platform in the cloud that powers multi-level of business in 190 countries. So it is a good opportunity for you. You can go through AWS cloud computing, which is also a trending skill. The next leading skill is blockchain development. My friend, if you are a blockchain developer, then you can develop a system which records information in such a way that makes it difficult to change, hack, or cheat. Or you can say it is impossible to hack them on that system. So blockchain development is a good option for you. If you are interested in it, then you can go through YouTube. That YouTube provides very good content for anything. You can learn anything from YouTube. Various channels are available for this. So blockchain development is a trending skill, and you can go through it without any hesitation. So the dear friends, the last skill is IoT, but not least. So what is IoT? IoT is a system of internet connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. So IoT is trending because the personal or business possibilities are endless in this skill. So you can learn IoT. This skill is without any hesitation, you can go through it. This skill is very trending in today's era. So there are more possibilities that you can got success in these skills. So Internet of Things is also a good option for you if you want to develop a skill in you. So friends, these are that top skills which are trending in modern era. So friends, if you are interested in any of them, then go through it without any hesitation. Learn properly and develop any of them, then you will become successful without any hesitation.